Are you struggling to create engaging content consistently? Feeling overwhelmed by the demands of video production, writing, and coming up with fresh ideas? Unlock the power of artificial intelligence that is revolutionizing content creation. Monarch Media has the latest tools for transforming the landscape of content creation, making it faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Harness AI's power from video production to writing assistance and prompt optimization. Get ready to discover the tools and techniques that will take your content to the next level and save you countless hours in the process. Let's explore how AI can revolutionize your content creation process. First up, video production. With AI tools like Lumilab's Dream Machine, Synthesia, and Runway, you can transform your ideas into engaging videos in minutes. These platforms use artificial intelligence to convert text into voiceovers, automatically match visuals to your content, and streamline your editing workflow. Next, let's look at how AI can be your personal writing assistant. Do you ever struggle with writer's block? AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper are here to help. These AI assistants can generate ideas, craft compelling headlines, and even polish your drafts. They act as a 24/7 editor, offering real-time feedback on grammar, tone, and structure, ensuring your content is always professional and engaging. Now, let's unlock the full potential of AI with better prompts. The key to getting great results from AI lies in how you frame your questions or tasks. AI tools can suggest creative ways to structure your prompts, helping you get clearer, more impactful results. This skill is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of AI across all your content creation tasks. Remember, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it enhances it. By handling repetitive tasks and providing inspiration, AI frees you to focus on innovation and storytelling, allowing your unique voice to shine through. By implementing AI in your content creation process, you'll experience a significant boost in productivity and creativity. You'll be able to produce high-quality videos, articles, and social media posts in a fraction of the time it used to take, allowing you to focus on strategy and engagement with your audience. Ultimately, harnessing AI for content creation will give you a competitive edge, helping you stay ahead in the fast-paced digital landscape while delivering value to your audience consistently. Now that you've seen the power of AI in content creation, it's time to take action. Start implementing these tools and techniques in your workflow today. Remember, the key is to start small and experiment. Try using any of Monarch Media's suggested tools for video creation, writing assistance, or prompt optimization in your next project. You'll find them in the menu above. Each category is updated with the newest AI tools and is updated regularly as these fields continue to grow. Thank you for watching this guide on harnessing AI for content creation. We hope you're inspired to revolutionize your creative process. Don't forget to add Monarch Media to your favorites for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI in your work. Now keep the creativity flowing and innovate boldly.